Alright guys, welcome to the first vlog. So I just got up, took a shower. I'm about to go brush my teeth. The baby's awake. I just fed him. I'm letting him cool off so I can get him a shower and get him ready. And then we will just go on with our days. Throughout the days I don't normally have nothing to do, so I normally just go on TikTok and scroll on TikTok for the entire day, sleep with him, train him, feed him, until someone comes home, because his dad is at work. So sometimes it gets quite lonely, but we make do. I can't show you guys his face as yet because he hasn't been christened, but he's such a bundle of joy. I can't wait to show you guys. So let's get right into our day. Alright guys, so I just got ready and I'm going to wash up some dishes. Well, it's not a lot, it's just the dishes that I had used and ate something. I'm just going to re-wash them. So this is the outfit for today, and these are all Shein. I love my Shein. I'm sorry, Shein plus size always get me right. Alright, let's go get the baby ready. Alright guys, so he's up. Yes, he's going to get ready. I wanted to go and get him some morning sun. Papa, leave my necklace. We were going to get some morning sun, but he doesn't like the sun. And I don't know why. Why don't you like the sun? Yes. Yes. But I gave you some good milk. Did you like the milk? Did you like your milk? Yes? You liked your milk? Mmm. Mmm. Hi, Mama Baby. Hi, Mama Baby. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Woo! Run for Mama. Run for Mama. Run. Run for Mama. Run for Mama. Mama eats the baby leg. Mama eat the baby leg. Alright, so guys, so I'm gonna go get him ready, but I won't get him ready on camera. So he'll be ready in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so I normally use the Amin's medical powder on him. I don't use a lot, but I use it to keep him cool. But I use to bathe him, it's the emulsifying ointment. It's for babies with eczema, so it's a soap. It doesn't hurt his skin, it's very sensitive and not harsh on him. So what I normally do after I get him ready is I use the Avena baby lotion to moisturize his skin. It does keep him moisturized. I really love it, so I just use it. The lotion is little feet. Come baby. Lotion his face. I also take some nursing gel, Party and baby nursing gel with vitamin E, and I use it to crease his ears because he's gaining weight. So for them not to strip, I use it to crease his areas. So what time is it? It's food time. What time is it? Food time. time. Alright guys, so I'm now going to feed him. He's a little fussy because he's hungry, but he's fussy I can bear. He doesn't really cry. He's a good baby. I love him. He's a good baby. But he loves his food. He loves his food, which I love. I love that he loves to eat, because some baby doesn't like breast milk. They rather like feeding, like infant, newborn and stuff like that. He eats anything I give him. I love it. It makes my life easier. So right now he's on breast milk, but I'm going back to work in a couple weeks. In about 2 to 3 weeks. Well, not 2 to 3 weeks, about 2 weeks. I'm going back to work. It's sad. I'm sad. I don't want to go back, but I have to go back to work, because how are we gonna make money? So yeah, he's going to miss me, but I'm grateful for my sister. She'll be keeping him for me. He loves her. Nothing to him than his aunt. He loves her. He could be sleeping and she calls his name. He's going to wake up. He doesn't wake up for me, but her. Yes, baby. You have to take your time. You have to take your time. Yes, you have to take your time. Yes, you have to take. I know the milk is nice, but you have to take your time. Yes, he's smiling, guys. You have to take your time. He has the most beautiful smile. Oh my god. Yes, you have the most beautiful smile. You know that? You're so handsome and so chubby and so beautiful. Guys, his hair is starting to change, so they're starting to fall out. I don't like it, but it's a part of growing, which means that he's growing and he's healthy, because he's following his age requirement. So everything that he's supposed to be doing at 2 months, he is already mastering those milestones. Yes, you're an awesome baby. He likes when I told him. He likes when I tell him positive word. Like, you're strong, you're handsome, you have the most beautiful smile. Yes. And he also likes watching Paw Patrol and Peppa Pig. But I heard that Peppa Pig is very rude, so I don't let him watch him anymore. I'm trying to get him to watch Miss Rachel. Anytime I put it on Miss Rachel, I realize that he doesn't want to watch it, but he's going to watch it because it's very good. Anytime I put it on Miss Rachel, he goes to sleep, or he kicks the phone away, or he thumps the phone away. He does something to let the phone drop on the face. Yeah, I'm telling them about you. Yes, guys, he's over here serious, like, why are you talking my business, mommy? you that's what you said. Why are you talking my business? All right, guys. I'll see you in the next clip. Alright guys, so we just made a few TikTok and it was so fun. He's now off to bed. Hush baby. He's now off to bed, but it was fun. So go follow my TikTok channel at FunSizeK, that's the letter K _, yeah, to see all our videos. It was so fun. But yeah, he's now sleeping, so I'll probably go and get me something to eat. I haven't had breakfast, but I'm not really feeling anything. I might just get up on and cheese. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a small beat because I'm really bored. This is what I told you, that I literally have nothing to do when he sleeps. because everybody is off to school and work, and I have nothing to do. My uncle's girlfriend is here though with her kids, and she's doing TikTok. But I don't want to leave the baby alone because she's downstairs in a separate house. We might go down there when he's awake. Yeah, we might do that. But I'm gonna see if I can start planning out like things to do during the day, because all I normally do is sleep. I'm trying to break myself out of that because I'm gonna go back to work soon, and I don't want, when I'm at work at this time, I want to sleep because that is now my norm. So I'm trying to keep myself awake to get back into the habit of being awake for when I'm at work. So that's the plan. But I'm just gonna do a small beat and go on TikTok. Yeah, as I said, guys, follow my TikTok at funsizeK_. I'm always on TikTok, I swear. I'm new to TikTok live and stuff like that, so if you guys are always on TikTok and you know all the good stuff and you want to play matches with me, you can always come. I play match with any and anyone. I like meeting new people. But yeah, stuff that I normally talk about on my TikTok live with my little folks are like, I noticed that a lot of new moms are on my TikTok. Like a lot of new moms follow me, or mom to be, and they love my content. I love that you guys like my content. It makes me feel good. Yeah, it makes me really feel good because pregnancy wasn't bad for me. It wasn't terrible, but I had my ups and downs, and trust me guys, when I say postpartum versus pregnancy, which one is harder, I would say postpartum, because now you have a physical human being depending on you. You can't sleep all day, you can't do what you want to do because you have a little baby. When I was pregnant, all I did was eat and sleep because that was my job. Eat and sleep so the baby can get the nutrients. But no, I gotta be up, I gotta be a mom. So yeah, it has its ups and downs. But what I normally use on my face is my primers, my LA Girl Pro primer. But what I really love the most is the Rimmel London Stay Matte makeup primer. This is my fave. So I'm just going to add this on my face. But yeah, and I'm gonna just rub this all over my face. Said I'm not using any foundation or anything. I'm just doing a small beat, so I'm only using powders today and a little concealer. Not nothing fancy. I'm not going anywhere and then on TikTok, so I'm just just take the black eyeshadow to just darken the tailbone. Nothing fancy. And I'm gonna take my spoolie and just blend it up. I try to keep it as natural as possible when I'm doing my natural beat. So when I'm doing natural beat, I try not to go overboard. A lot of persons like to go overboard. I tend to like stay natural sometimes. But when I do a beat, I do a beat. Guys, don't mind how it looks. No, it will come together in the end, trust me. And that's pretty much. So now I'm just gonna take my concealer under my eyes. I usually like the concealer to sit a little bit more, but as I said, I'm doing a natural beat. My neighbor is weak. My neighbor has a cat. He's so beautiful. He reminds me of my old cat that I had by the name of Chelsea, but he died. Oh my god, I miss him. I was a cat person before I was a dog person, but every time I get a cat, they die. So I just, you know, I said no more cats. Too many funeral. Too many funeral. So I'm now a dog person. Weird, right? It's not weird. It's just that cats, every time I get a cat, they die. Either someone burn them and kill them. The last cat I had, someone threw hot water on him, and then I noticed that he was missing, and then he came back. I don't know, he came back. I think he was telling me bye bye. He came back and he was all burnt up. And when he came back and I saw him, he went away, and I never saw him again. I think he went away to die, but he didn't want me to see him like that. I was so hurt because I love that cat. I don't know why they love to go to people's yard, you know, guys. Like when I say I fed him. He used to eat mackerel every single day because he was my sonny when he. But then him get big and love woman and start got them house until the owner them burn him. So what I'm gonna do now is take my Fit Me loose finishing powder in deep, and I'm going to use this to set the rest of my face. Because I've gotten a dark, so I can't really use my old some of my makeup that I had before because they're too light for me. I'm gonna have to stock up. Since pregnancy, I've gotten really dark, and most of my makeups don't match no more. Yeah, some of my makeups don't match no more, so I'm trying to match my neck. So I'm going to take the same shade on the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to take back the same concealer and the powder. Not a concealer, the same powder. Back on my bridge of my nose. Alright, so now I have my Fit Me powder, matte poreless powders. These are the pressed powders. So I have a 330 and 362. So I'm just going to use those. So I'm going to use a 330 to highlight. So this is the 330. Set this all in place. We're pretty much done. The middle. And add some gloss on it. Add some gloss. Alright, and highlight, and we're done. So for the Fenty gloss that I've been using as a mirror, and I'm going to take the gold and I laid it off the. So the shade is Cupping Ice, and I normally use Stone Cold. So I like mixing those two together. Alright, so that's it, guys, for my natural beat.
I am fully aware of what y'all say about me. Huh? Number one, and I don't give a fuck.
Alright, guys, so this is the end of this week's vlog. First vlog. This vlog. Yeah, this is the end of the first vlog. It was super short and sweet. We didn't do much because it started to rain. It started to rain, so we just called it a day. So I'm pretty much gonna go to bed and chill with my baby. Alright, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Nobody can tell